In today's fast-paced and technology-driven world, cable management plays a vital role in ensuring the continuous flow of information and power. That's why Beisit is proud to present execableglands, which are specially designed to provide a reliable and efficient cable management solution. These cable glands have a special construction and are made from high-grade metal materials to ensure durability and long-lasting performance. With excellent corrosion, heat, and chemical resistance, and a wide range of operating temperatures from -60 degrees Celsius to 130 degrees Celsius, metal glands are well suited for use in a number of industries, including oil and gas, marine renewable energy, telecoms, and more. Whether facing extreme environments or harsh conditions, Beisit's double-sealed, armored, explosion-proof cable glands offer the ideal solution for all cable sealing challenges. Precision-engineered, these glands ensure superior reliability and performance, even in the most demanding settings. A highlight of execableglands is their advanced sealing mechanism. Equipped with a reliable earth continuity ring, ECR, and an integrated O-ring seal, these glands provide a water and dust-tight seal that effectively protects the cable from moisture, water intrusion, and dust particles. This innovative design not only ensures maximum protection, but also extends the lifespan of your valuable cables, minimizing costly downtime and reducing the risk of potential equipment damage. Choose execableglands from Beisit to enhance the safety and efficiency of your cable management systems. For more information, please visit our website.